How to change work hours in Microsoft Teams. Welcome to this tutorial on changing your work hours in Microsoft Teams. Unfortunately, Microsoft Teams doesn't have a native feature for adjusting work hours directly within the app. However, you can update your work hours via Outlook, which syncs with Teams. So let's dive into the process. Open Outlook to start, so open the app and navigate to Outlook Online as the changes need to be made there. From the drop-down, select Calendar. Adjust work hours and location in the calendar settings, so look for the work hours and location option. Here you can adjust your work hours for each day. Simply set the start and the end times and choose between office or remote for your location. Apply the changes once you've adjusted the hours and location to your preference. Save them. These updates will now reflect in your Microsoft Teams account as well. You can also set your current work location directly in Teams by clicking on your profile icon in the top corner. From the drop-down menu, select Set Work Location, then choose between Office or Remote. If you wish to clear this location later, simply select Clear Work Location. And that's it. You've successfully changed your work hours in Microsoft Teams via Outlook. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Microsoft Teams tips.